question, we are given a triangle ABC, right angle at B. D and E are points on BC such that BC is trisected at these points. Then we have to prove 8 times of AE square is equal to thrice of AC square plus 5 times of AD square. We take the proof. Because D and E trisect BC, it means these parts are of equal length. Thus, BD is equal to 1/3 of BC, BE is equal to 2/3 of BC. That is 1 out of 3 parts and 2 out of 3 parts of BC. Now we consider triangle AEB. In triangle AEB, we have AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. So in triangle AEB, AE square is equal to AB square plus B square by Pythagoras theorem is equal to AB square plus BE is equal to 2/3 BC, and its square is 4/9 BC square, because B is equal to 2/3 BC. Or it implies that 8 times of AE square is equal to 8 times of AB square plus 32/9 BC square, multiplying 4 by 4. This is result 1. Next we consider triangle ACB. Now in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. As we need 3 AC square, so we multiply both the side by 3. So thrice of AC square is equal to thrice of AB square plus thrice of BC square. This is the result 2. Now we consider triangle ABD. Now in triangle ABD, AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square, or 5 times of AD square implies 5 AD square is equal to 5 AB square plus 5 BD square. But BD is equal to 1/3 of BC, it implies 5 AD square is equal to 5 AB square plus 5 1/3 BC square. It means 1/9 BC square, implies 5 AD square is equal to 5 AB square plus 5/9 BC square. This is result 3. Now we add 2 and 3. Add 2 and 3. So thrice of AC square plus 5 AD square is equal to 3ab square plus 5ab square, that is 8 times of ab square plus thrice of bc square plus 5 by 9 bc square, that is equal to 8 times of ab square plus we can take LCM 9. So 9 3 are 27 bc square plus 5 bc square, that is 32 bc square. Now we observe one, 8a square is equal to 8ab square plus 32 by 9 bc square. So we can replace this by 8a square, 8a square from 1. So thrice of AC square plus 5 AD square is equal to 8 times of A square, hence proved. In the next question, we have to prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of its altitude. So we are given an equilateral triangle ABC and AD its altitude. So given triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle to prove, and AD is its altitude. To prove 3 times square of any side, let 3 times of say AB square is equal to 4 times the square of an altitude, 4 times of AD square. In triangle ADB, by Pythagoras theorem we have AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. This is equal to AD square plus, we know BD is equal to half of BC because altitude is also median in equilateral triangle. So D is the midpoint of BC. So this is 1 by 2 BC square, that is AD square plus 1 by 4 BC square, multiplying both the sides by 4, it implies 4 times of AB square is equal to 4 times of AD square plus, instead of BC square we can write AB square because all sides of equilateral triangle are equal, because AB is equal to BC in equilateral triangle. It further implies that 3 times of AB square is equal to 4 times of AD square. In the next question, we are given in the figure triangle ABC is right angle at B, AD and CE are medians drawn from A and C respectively. If length of AC is 5 cm and AD is 3 root 5 upon 2 cm, we have to find the length of CE. Now solution. In triangle ADB, we have AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. AD square is equal to, AD is 3 root 5 upon 2, so we can write it as 9 5 of 45 upon 4. 3 root 5 square means 9 into 5, 45 upon 4 is equal to AB. AB is twice of BE square plus BD is half of BC square, that is 4 times of B square plus 1/4 of BC square is equal to 45 upon 4. Multiplying both the sides by 4, so this becomes 45 is equal to 16 times of BE square plus BC square.